Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. I'm doing this sleepy kitty this morning. I'm not worrying about getting the exact shape. We're just aiming for a gesture here. So when I hesitate there a little, I'm just kind of, checking my measurements kind of intuitively and visually without actually measuring. Measuring with my intuition, I guess. Get rid of some of that extra noise there so I can see what I'm doing. I just love this pose and that it shows those cute little toe beans and Kitty's face kind of squished into the floor. Those lines I made, it really helped me place the eyes in the right place. And that cute little nosy. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment below. Tell me about yourself or your cat or what country you live in or whatever, and what you want to learn about cat drawing. I'd love to hear from you, and you will help us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. And of course, we have a Facebook group that you'll find the link for in the description below. We'd be happy to have you if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. It's a great community and it's growing. There's another little paw sticking out there. And I can barely see that paw in the photo, but it's just still nice to get it in there. You got to kind of look for those things. What helps make the drawing look endearing. Now I'm just kind of strengthening up the lines that I want to really define what I want the drawing to be about. Tabby markings are wonderful for adding expression and creating contour. The roundness of the cat's face or wherever. And this is just a kid's school pencil crayon black that I used to create these drawings for the videos. I use them for this because they're cheap to find at thrift stores and garage sales, and I stock up whenever I see them, and they really show up nicely on the videos. It's usually about the only time I use them for drawing. I've got all kinds of other things I use too. Usually, I think I said I only use them for drawing. Usually I only use them for the videos. And my other drawing, I use more artist supplies. You got to be creative in your supplies too. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.